Table calculations exercise. Cumulative aggregation. In this exercise, we are going to look at writing a table calculation to create a cumulative sum. To do this, we will leverage the running sum function. So, let's open up Tableau. Let's load in our data source. So let's click on Microsoft Excel. Let's double click on our sample superstore to load this into Tableau, and let's take orders in. Now let's click on sheet 1. We are going to take order date and drop it in. I want us to take order date and drop it into columns to the right. I want us to right click on this and turn this into month. Lastly, I want us to take cells, drop it into rows. Now turn this into bars. So we have our basis for our data visualization. Now, very simply, we can use a quick table calculation to create the cumulative effect, but right now I want us to write it ourselves. So let's right click on a blank space, create calculated field, and let's call this running sum. What we are going to do here is actually write out running sum. You use the autocomplete, it really helps. So that's how we are going to aggregate the table calculation. And for each of the points, we are going to have a sum of cells. So what this is telling Tableau is that each of these bars will be sum of cells, and then we will do a running sum of those. Click apply. Let's leave the window open. And now I want us to take running sum and drop it into rows. And there you have it. You have your running sum. As with the previous section, we can always configure this. So let's right click on running sum, compute using, path across. Let's keep a hand on control. Duplicate running sum and drop that into color. The key reason why we're keeping a hand on control is because you've already edited the table calculation. You don't really want to edit it again. So by copying, you're copying the configuration as well. Let's go into sum. Let's drag that through. And there we have it. What I want you to do now is, in your own time, we have used running sum, but there's running average, running count, running min, and running max. Have a play of those and see what you can come up with. But this is how you can create cumulative averages, cumulative sums, cumulative values.